Okay, cleared off my charts and 4 hours. Let's go. All right. You make sure to understand that this guy here, understand if it's actually coming from a demand zone. But I don't know, the data will be very long. Okay, so it's not my problem. So I will just look for a way to shut this market down. And if you see, this market is what? Bearish, right? Is it? Yes. Both market structure to downside. So what will you be doing? You'll be looking to what? Short from zones like this guy here, this guy here, and maybe any guy from here also. So now let me, I guess that's broken here, right? Has it? Yes, it did. Okay.
But is it really still bearish, bro?
It is bearish overall trend, honestly. Like you just need to look for supply zones to trade off from. That's just the thing. So zone like this guy here will be good. One. Let me see. Zone like this guy here will be good too. Okay. Then zones like this guy here. But once it keeps failing those supply zones, if you see entry to buy to the next supply zone, you do it. You understand me? If it fails, yeah, that's what you do. So, but this is the next supply zone. So, man, I think you just need to wait to this point. But now, looking at buying first. So you buy to this guy here, right? Because that's failed here. And if you see this guy, where was it coming from? You understand me? So it was coming from this guy. See?
Yeah, supply zone.
So there is demand zone.
Yeah, very
demand
nice.
zone rather. Yeah.
This demand zone.
It's a very nice reaction also.
Let me be sure.
It shows that it's respecting.
Okay, it just tapped. Okay. You know what? You won't do anything yet. Only if he breaks this guy, right? Then reverses, making this one as your liquidity, you understand? Comes to somewhere here and you go up again. If not, if it comes to this guy, just look for what? A change of character and sell to this point. Sell to this range. You understand me? Have your easy TP here, right? And then you're good. That's all. So, Chinua, maybe you should stay off this chat because, well, no, let me not say you should stay off this chat.
You just be looking.
Just be looking.
Just be looking.
Well, it's too cool to forward test, you know. So just watch, right? See what it does.
Yeah.
This is clear liquidity for us. You understand? Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Clear liquidity for us. But some pairs are funny that they could just come in here and then buy up. You know, rally, base, rally. You understand?
Yeah.
Then it's work with base. You understand? So, well, you can long. So you can long if you see a change of character here, no doubt. Honestly, see a change of character here, just long the market. But if it doesn't, you still wait for what, Seth? Why am I having that space? He's not even deciding himself. So just wait for this guy here. I don't know why FXCM is not showing the chat, but maybe Owanda would show it. So this is what you do. Because, okay.
That's on all the platforms. Because I've been following this pair. Yes.
All right. So this one is, the two zones are good. So, but this one, you'll be more careful. If you want to go aggressive, you can go aggressive on this guy and wait for change of character on this guy. So next pair, please.
Let me see. I have
Fan, you don't have any pair. Is fan not here? Z,
AUD, sir.
ZFX. What's up? What pair do you have on board, man?
None.
Nan. All right. GBP AUD. I thought, did we say anything? We said something about GBP AUD. Okay, just now. Okay. And NZD USD. Most
No,
though.
Euro AUD. Euro AUD, sir.
Okay. She said Euro AUD. No, she said GBP AUD. No, she was just reminding me of what you said the other time. So now, NZD USD. Let me see. First of all, I'll just do top-down analysis easily on it. Okay, first of all, go to your 4 hours time frame and see and know your buyers, right? Okay, market is bearish. Well, come on, it's not really showing good structure. You just falling. Look at why would the price just fall this way? So it's actually need what? A more retracement to any zones here. Because if you use your Fibonacci from this point to this point, right? You only want to trade off zone from this guy. You understand me? So now this guy is premium and it is good. Why? Because I think I'm seeing already a first touch and I'm waiting for a second touch. So this one here is my first touch, right? And now see, it even have huge imbalance that needed to be filled. So now we have this next guy. So look to start selling from this zone. Sell from this zone. Okay, and I guess you'll be buying now. So you could just buy to this guy. Okay, and next thing, you should even see I need to be sure this guy is still coming to get it. Okay, this is another zone. And then this is another zone you can short from. So you just keep on marking out zones that you can short from, like this, right? Zones like this, then this last zone. You understand me? But where you should start shorting from what is from this zone, because that's done what? Break of market structure, touch, took out liquidity, right? Touch, then you're waiting for what? Another break of, another fall from this zone. So now, but in terms of entry, let's see if this PIS has been respecting bullish, it has been respecting demand zone on the smaller time frame. So this guy that broke structure to the upside tapped this guy before moving upward. Nice. Now you have your what? Your first touch, but now it broke below. Why?
it broke.
Okay. Then did it come to this guy here? Nah.
Liquidity grab.
Oh,
Okay. So now this is the zone that you should wait for. Okay. But I don't like that zone because we are still looking at zones like that. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So this one did break this structure. You understand? So look to buy from here. And because of this imbalance, you can look to now buy from this guy. This guy. Why are you buying from here? Because this one is too good, right? Because it did broke this structure first. Can see, then tap into this guy here. Tap into this guy. Okay. All right. And you would see this market has no imbalance here, but I can see this imbalance. Okay. So now we're having this zone now. I don't like this pair. It's not fresh,
Yeah.
but it can give you huge RR, honestly. Like if you just tap into your zone, it can just move. So this guy is good. This one is good. This one is good. I don't like this one. All right.
But the negative side with these kind of uh, pairs like this is that you really need to wait for a really good confirmation, right?
I don't think so. This type of pair, the negative side is it do have huge spread.
Uh-huh.
So, but see what this pair is doing right now. It has tapped into some sort of supply here. Okay, let
Yeah,
me
a good supply actually.
let me go to the 13. Find it. All right. So this supply, right? And this supply did tap this guy. See? So it's sweet. So I think he's trying to let us understand that we should just be bearish at the moment, right? So first touch, second touch. Now it's already in for its third touch. You understand? See? Now, and if you can, wow, I like this pair. So now it has already what? It took out liquidity. First of all, it took out liquidity, right? And then did break structure to the downside. See, giving you what? A change of character. So this could mean price will come to this guy and sell, right? Sell, have your TP here, or if you really understand your pair well, you can just have your TP here. So, but easy TP should just be here. Instant. So sell to here, just leave the market to do its thing and try to buy from here. Why? Why are you buying from here? Because it has done what? First touch and you're waiting for second touch. It doesn't make sense. So sell, have your TP here, or if you are really strong, you can just aim for this TP. You understand me? And you are good. So this is how I do my top-down analysis. I would have recorded this shit, man. Oh no, I don't need because so well. Maybe I should just have this and keep it in one I just name it top-down analysis, right? Is it good? And just add it to my
you're recording already,
yeah, because I'm recording already. It's fine because man, top-down analysis is not really big thing that we should start nagging about. But this is it. It's going to be sweet if you just tap into this zone, come into a demand, then move to this supply. I like this supply here. Come on, it's fresh. Nice. All right, let me see. Thanks. I have same idea. Sell first, then buy for long time. Nice one for you, Zizi. ZFX, this is your namesake, Zizi. Next question, please.
Euro AUD, sir.
Can
we share Euro AUD?
Why do you like AUD PS, guy?
There's something about that.
There's something about that AUD.
Euro pounds, my brother.
No problem. I'll go for it now. Euro AUD. Where are you? All right.
GU is also good. GU. I like GU.
I love GU and EU. Okay, so Euro pounds, Abi, no, Euro AUD. First of all, top-down analysis, go to my 4 hours time frame. I don't mind clearing up all these charts, right? So this is what I'll be doing. Clear up all charts, remove all drawings, and boom. So if you look at it on your 4 hours to know your bias, isn't it? Right? And be so careful to know where prices started from and then selling down from, right? Or buying from and then moving upward. You understand? So you'll be so careful to know where this guy moved from a zone, to be sure it moved from a zone so to this point. You understand me? Right? So be careful to know where this guy moved from and then buy from to this point. You understand? That's the way you do things. So this way, first of all, I want to know what really pushed this guy from this guy, what really pushed it down to that point. Now I'll just go here and then search for the zone it worked with. And if you look, okay, it did break here And yes, it tapped some here, yeah. All right. This is how I do my thing. Okay. So let me say the price came from. So first of all, if you see, when market broke this structure to the downside, it did tap into this supply. See? So now you mark that zone immediately, letting you know that what market is bearish on the higher time frame, right? So first touch, now you're waiting for the what? The second touch, which would have been this candle here, right? Okay, and if you
Yes,
see,
sir.
market has tapped into this guy. So maybe in the 1 hour time frame, you will definitely see either this zone is above here. Okay, let me just mark this fractal entry and see if price came to that zone. All right. Okay, it didn't. So let me just go to my, let me be sure. Okay, so if I still mark it, still telling me that it's the same guy. But let me see, let me go to my 2 hours, okay? Okay, so 2 hours is telling me this zone. So let me see. All right, you can see. So now you've gotten this, meaning that what? Market took out this, made this guy its liquidity on the 2 hours, right? And then took
Yes,
it
sir.
out. So this is that you will do your easy markup. Go back to your 4 hours time frame. We'll name this one 2 hour zone respected. So I don't need to start naming though, but you can just name this one 2 hour supply zone respected. Now look at this guy here, right? This guy moved from somewhere and then to this point, right? But if you look closely, you would see that this one went higher, right? That means it must have tapped
Yes.
into a zone before falling down to this point. Look at the move is huge now. So then this is what you should do. So if it's not really clear again on the 4 hours, then we'll go back to what? Go back to 2 hours. Okay. Oh shit. So first of all, if you notice, you see that this market tapped in a supply zone before falling, right? Maybe,
Yes, sir.
which is this guy. Meaning that what? This pair is bearish, isn't it, on the higher time frame? Okay. All right. Well, I want to know where this market tapped in before falling. That's this guy here. Okay, let me see. All right. So I've seen something. So market tapped into this guy. So it was even the last unmitigated candle before them. Understand? So this one was mitigated. This one here was mitigated. You see? So market keep on tapping zones. See this guy here. Mitigated. You understand? Keep on tapping zones and then falling. Now
Yes.
you'd see market now came in for this zone and boom. See, it didn't hit your SL. Now you know it's now becoming more easy self to understand. Oh, okay, this is the guy I was looking for. No problem. The manipulation is all right. Let me see if I have any unmitigated zone. Okay, because this one would have been nice. This one would have been nice, right? But let me go to my 2 hours.
That's my analysis from as well.
Let me just go to my. Okay. So 2 hours is telling me factor entry of this guy. I guess that will just sort out this issue. All right. That's for that guy. And what else? Go to your 4 hours again. 4 hours is your name. You don't really need to start going to don't need to start going to daily time frame because of you want to trade. So now, so what do you have now? You have only zones from these guys now, right? To trade off from. And if you see, market has what tap into what zones from here and is already reacting, right? So now what will you do? You will now look for zones from this guy upward, right? So make sure that, and then you can just call this one your liquidity grab. Right? Let me see. Okay. So if you just call this one liquidity. And this one liquidity. Okay. For zones from here. Right. Okay, first of all, you have this zone that is unmitigated, right? This last candle. One, you have which one again? It's a market book here. Okay, market has tapped into this guy. See? Then also market has tapped into this guy too. See supply. Okay. So I'm just looking for, so this one here is the only for now that I've seen. Is the only unmitigated supply. Let me see. So now I have this guy here. This guy is unmitigated. Oh, price has come into this one. Okay, let me mark this candle. So now I'm having this one alone. All right. What else? Okay. So no clear zones here. Market has switched into this guy. Market tapped into this guy. Market has switched into this guy. Market has tapped into this guy. Jesus Christ. Now, okay. This one looks so rough, but we're going to scale. We're going to scale through. So now we're having this one here. Then we can call this one liquidity. Abi? Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. So that was the liquidity for this zone. Okay. And then we've seen that market also has given what? A change of character, right? So giving you a change of character, you can now go to your smaller time frame from entry. Remember, you don't only have this zone to sell off from, right? You would have what? You've gotten this zone here. So you could just drag, expand, because it is unmitigated, and expand. So you have only what? Two zones to short from. But if it does break here, just look to what? Long in to this point, have your TP here. But if it does break here also, long what? To this point. And that's how you just kill him easily. So now you've seen that what? And if you see this zone is good, why? Because it's if you fib also from here to this point, you see what? It is among your premium zones, right? Zones you can trade off from. Okay. So now in terms of entry, so this is where you can now go to a smaller time frame, right? Look at zones that you would want to trade off from. Okay, let's see. First of all, the market came in here, look for a good change of character, right? Okay, then market still break below here. Okay, no problem. The market
grab liquidity.
Yeah, grabbed liquidity and then gave a what? A change of character. So market should take out liquidity and do what? Sell. That's the idea. Okay. And now your markup now would be like this. Liquidity graph, see? Liquidity taking. Okay. And zones, you can be shorting up from. Let me look at my 30 minutes first. All right. I'm having this guy here, unmitigated. Right? So, but you could just mark all this so high to just ease complications. And notice what this market is doing. Internal breakup structure, right? Then market has tapped into. So you just see that what market tapped into this guy. See, tap into this guy and sold, right? Okay. Then what do you see? Market tapped into this guy here and sold, right? All right. So the next thing, market has tapped into this guy here, and now it has sold off from that guy. Okay. Now the next one, you would want what? Market to tap into this guy and sell. So this is the only supply zone. No, this supply zone is the only zone it has given you, and this guy here. So you would now what? Look to sell off from here. Well, you can only sell aggressive immediately if you're having less than 20 pips stop loss. So anything more than 20 pips stop loss, don't even think to trade it. So let me see. This one is having no. So definitely you should wait for change of character here. Still wait for chalk. Chalk here. Right? And wait for chalk here. Because I don't know, it's this zone should be big. It's big, yeah. But you can just start selling off from here because this one has this nice indecision candle. Okay. And you can just have two positions. So have this, right? All mitigated for you. So you don't really need to wait. Let me see. Don't need to wait for you. Sell aggressively for me. Okay. I think we'll be trading this one. So sell here and also sell here. Fractal entry on this guy. Aggressive. No need to wait for change of character because market has given you a change of character. So maybe we'll share these guys. Let me see. All right. So we're having 10 minutes on this call. Okay. So this is how.
Sir,
Yeah. So this zone first,
on
I
this,
love it. So this one could just mean what? Liquidity for us, and we'll be selling off from here. Talk, please.
okay, so like you said, if you look at your 4 hour zone, if you go back
Okay. My force. Chalk.
and you go like zoom it from the bigger picture,
Okay. What's up?
I'm still expecting from my analysis, I'm still expecting the heights to break because price has been coming up, and it recently gave me my flip to demand zone
Okay.
just beneath this place.
Let's be careful. See. Okay. So if we're selling, yep. So this
Right
zone,
there.
so we can just have our TP here. Understand? Just because of
Yeah.
the market is still bullish. You understand me? So we're just selling,
Yes.
sell to this point, right? And continue loving the market. You understand me?
That's just what I wanted to say.
Oh, like you have your supply. So is that what you're saying? So you know what?
I'm saying there is a demand there, just where you just pointed out.
Okay. So this one is unmitigated.
Because price has been breaking structures for a while now.
Okay.
To the upside, and I think it's still going to go up to the extreme high you pointed out.
Mhm. So let's, well, this place we're trying to short from. Remember why we are shorting from. We're shorting from this guy here because it has tapped into a supply zone. You understand me? And what it is, it gave a chop. You get my point? Because if you look,
Yes, sir.
if you look at the structure all this while, right? It kept what breaking structure to the upside. You understand? Breaking structure to the upside, right? But once it got to this
Yes.
point, it took out liquidity and then gave a chop. Come on, why not? I will trade from here. I have my TP here. If it does break below, then we'll start selling the market. Then we'll understand that what market has what gave that chop that needs to what push this market to break this low. So we need this low to break to confirm that the market is here.
Yes, sir.
All right. So
Okay.
what else? So this is it. This is how I would have entered, or how I will enter, because I'm going to trade this one. I will trade it. So whichever way, it's not really guaranteed that it's going to sell, but I guess I'll be putting this on YouTube. You know what? I'm putting this on YouTube, honestly. I like what I just did. So this year, oh, on the 15 minutes, we can look to short from here. No, but I would love to still wait for that change. That change of character is necessary here, honestly. So let's just wait for change of character here, and we can now start selling aggressively. So I'm having this other limit set because I believe this guy, if he just tap in, it could just sell off immediately. You understand me? To start selling off, it will not even wait for anybody. Okay. Yeah, I wonder. Okay. Let's see. Thirteen points. 13.5 pips stop loss on that one. And then the next one. So I'm having about 5 minutes before this call will end. And I think this is the last Zoom call for today. I'm trying to get this. I'm not seeing this one. Okay. What did they give me here? What number is this, please? Is this 4? Yes, it's 4.
7-4. 7-4.
Okay. Now, let's go. Oh, no. There's no, I'll trade more than 20 pips.
You're increasing it.
I'm increasing it. I can't really see this thing well now. Okay, so this is fine. It's fine. How many RR will this be? Huge. Nice. How many RR is this?
That's 15. 15 and
How many is this?
21. 21.
21. Okay. So this is it. Okay, so now go to my 4 hours and mark this guy this way. Euro AUD. Let's see. This. So my YouTubers, this is the way we analyze chat easy and we smash easy. Don't think it's one big thing here though. All right, that's all. So remember, change of character here. If we would see because of this flow, then we'll short this point. Or if we don't see, then we'll short him immediately from here. Then 15 minutes. We use 30 minutes, right? For entry. Okay. All right. So maybe on Tuesday, it may trigger us and definitely smash this market. Chinua, we got this. Come on. So,
Yeah.
easy, right? Any question again in 1 minute? Let me end this call. Any questions?
Not really, bro.
We're all good.
You sure?
Yeah, it actually looks very nice, what you just did.
All right. Okay.
Hello, sir.
You asking question?
Yes, about my traits not being activated.
Yeah. Oh, is this Onipi?
No, this is Israel.
Tega.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Israel.
My English name is Israel, but
Okay. No problem. So you say what before the Zoom went?
I talked about having issue with my metaphor not automatically activating my trades, my positions, if I set them. I'm having issues with that. So you said
you know what? You should
I
go
should
for
ask.
raw spread account, please. You understand? Are you using a raw spread
Okay.
account? Yes, that's the only thing, right? So go for raw spread